This is where quality forage and feed performance meet, where timing and reliability are critical. Meet the Vermeer 404 Pro, a fixed chamber silage baler designed particularly for the world you live in, based on proven technology to meet the expectations you have and the challenges you face producing high moisture round bales. This one is built for heavy loads and maximum throughput, and the kind of reliability and performance you depend on to produce a heavy diet of 4x4 silage bales weighing 1,900 to 2,300 pounds, with a fixed chamber and optional chopper system that's perfectly designed for silage quality and digestibility. It all starts here with state-of-the-art in-feed technology. You have a rugged 4-bar pickup and ball-bearing guided tine bars. A radial pin clutch protects the system. And to manage the heavy high moisture loads and help maintain precise height control, the 404 Pro pickup comes with a 16 by 6.5 inch gauge wheel on each side, and you don't need any tools to adjust them. Plus, check this out. It's called Hydroflex Control, and it eliminates the need to reverse the drive system to clean the throat. With the Hydroflex control and this unique suspended design, the feed floor can move up and down slightly to allow heavy or uneven swaths to pass through. This minimizes blockages in the rotor. It reduces downtime and costly damage to expensive components. Even if a plug does occur, the E-Link controller can open the Hydroflex feed floor as much as 17 inches to allow it to pass by the rotor and enter the bale chamber to avoid crop loss. No more wasted time and no need to leave the tractor cab. And it makes it easy to access blades when changing or adjusting knife configurations. To increase bale density and improve silage quality and digestibility, extra long knives reach deep into the ring zone of the rotor to help improve material flow and quality of cut. You have a choice of 3 different cutting knife patterns, a full 17-blade configuration, or 9 and 8 knife arrangements, which allow you to extend the operating times between knife sharpenings. Have you heard about the drive system? With the 404 Pro, you're ready to roll with a power split transmission. This exclusive shared drive gearbox design with integrated transversal shafts divides power equally between the rotor and bale chamber to reduce horsepower requirements. Also, take a look at the unique Power Grip steel roller. This one sets the industry benchmark for durability and performance, combining high-strength shafts and heavy-duty ribbed tubing to grip the bales for maximum compression and positive rotation under high moisture operating conditions. The wide-angle 80-degree PTO comes with a quick-release lock on the tractor end and gives you those tight turns. A cutout clutch protects the drive system. And to increase protection and extend bearing life, special clearing paddles are mounted at the end of the rollers to prevent potential damage from buildup near the bearings. But that's just part of the story. With the 404 Pro, you have exceptionally large sprockets and roller-fitted bearings to ensure precise sprocket alignment and minimize chain wear. Heavy-duty double roller chain powers the direct rotor drive. Mechanical tailgate locks ensure strong, reliable tailgate closure, even on extreme hillsides. When it's time to dump the bale, a spring-loaded ramp helps kick it out. And when it's time to wrap it up, you're covered with a system that saves time and finishes off silage bales with a lot less effort. The Vermeer 404 Pro Netwrap system is extremely reliable. It reduces crop loss, improves bale handling, and gives you a better-looking package. An adjustable disc brake system maintains ideal tension for maximizing net usage for dependable wrapping performance, whether you're working with standard or extra-wide net. And you have a convenient side load system that also provides storage for an extra roll. Time for maintenance? It's easy. Gull-wing side door shields and on top open up in seconds. An automatic lubrication system reduces maintenance time and helps extend the service life of the chains. 4 grease banks located on each side of the baler allow you to easily grease all 36 roller bearings. You also have the convenience and intelligence of the Vermeer E-Link electronic control system to monitor baling activity and pre-select and adjust a wide range of operating functions. The all-new Vermeer 404 Pro. Outstanding efficiency and reliability in high moisture conditions. Heavy-duty drive systems and components for high load conditions. State-of-the-art in-feed technology. A unique plug-free system that saves time and headaches. The new 404 Pro Baler from Vermeer.